Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Jagdish, Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. We are actually discussing about the video lecture series of communication systems. We are in the fifth unit, Information Theory and Error Control Coding. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the error control coding in detail. So come, let's get into the topic. So before getting to the error control coding, uh, the message why it is actually required is nothing but of the make sure the message get through perfectly in the receiver section. That is a very important thing. And when you're coming for the empathy part, have you ever played a telephone? That means sometimes the message gets mixed up. I like pizza becomes I like freezer. So this is because so many signals simultaneously when it travels in along a same way, what happens? The every signal will be mixed up, and the receiver side, the people who is hearing the audio as something different. What actually sent is different, and what we are hearing is different. So that is actually because of this mixing up of signals. So messages can be what we want, what happens, clear words, what's get jumbled, no mistakes, let us disappear, perfect messages. So these are all these something why it is happening. And so, what is actually we have to troubleshoot means we have to resolve means message travel far and get bumps and scratches. We need a way to fix them. So we need a clear path to send it signal from one place to another place. So, if you have some clear pipe, that means pipe. If you're sending the water from one place to another place, it will be reaching perfectly to the next point. But if you just imagine that the pipe is not a linear or some, it is not a uniform manner. What happens? The water will get a some ununiform some path, and it will reach the destination point. So this is actually a problem. So we have to define. So we have to set a one clear path to travel the message. So, like sending a puzzle. So, start message ready, travel goes through the air, then piece gets mixed up and needs fixing. So, this is what we need. And when we are coming for the ideate, the magic solution is add extra helper pieces to protect the message like a safety buddy. So as we have discussed already in the previous episode, linear block codes, the same thing. So adding a extra block will help us to identify whether the signal message is correct or wrong. So like that, here also extra pieces will protect the message. How it works. Since we are in ideate part, we have to discuss about the some how we have to see how the process is taking place when the message is carried from one place to another place. So add helpers. So extra clues travel with messages and check it. Look for mistakes when it arrives and fix it. So use helpers to make it perfect again. And some real life examples are toy walkie talkies. Voice to your voice plus helper sound is equal to clear message. And if you're coming for the video games, pictures stay clear even when the internet is slow. So these are all some real world examples of some this error control coding. And it's like having a backup plan. So make copies, send extra info just in case, check the pattern, make sure pieces match, perfect delivery message arrives safely. So from this we can ensure that message can receive in the destination safely, and message always gets through. Error control coding help friends that keep message safe. So this is actually a error control coding. So when we're coming for the mind map, so in error control coding in digital communication, which has several subdivisions. One is definition, purpose, need for ECC, that is error control coding, and basic concept and parameters and functions of ECC. types of error control coding, Hamming distance, and that is B minimum, and advantages, disadvantages, limitations, and applications. Thank you.